In this video, we will see how to create a new project. You can create a new project from the Project List interface by clicking on the New Project button. Here, there are two options. The first option from Workspace is used to create a project using measurements collected with a ProSec GPR system, which are imported from Workspace. The second option, from Other, can be used to create a project using data from third-party systems. Let's select from Workspace. Here you can search for a specific measurement or filter which data you are seeing by specifying the type of scan and the GPR system used. From the list, you can select multiple measurements collected with the same probe to include in the same project. You cannot include data collected by different probes in the same project. After selecting the measurements, set a name for this project and select whether the 3D volume will be calculated automatically during project creation or not. Based on the probe selected, different options will appear here. Let's select the GS8000 probe. Now more options have appeared, such as selecting the data input, ignoring the GPS data, or overriding the geodetic datum. Finally, click on the Create Project button. Now let's go back and choose from Other. All third-party data must be included in a single zip file by clicking on the Import Files button. Instructions on the supported files based on the manufacturer and how to import these can be found in the provided link. Note that the SEGI format is also supported. After importing the zip file, similarly select a name and the rest of the options and click on the button to create the project.